Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Okay, so today we're going to be I'm going to be showing you guys some of these McDonald's toys, but they're like kind of like fidgets. So let me show you. Okay, so we have these. There's a toy here. Let me get all the pieces. 1 second. Okay, I got it. Okay, so we're going to put this aside, some of the parts. So we have this part, we have a hat, we have this, like the person, and we have basketball. But I'm going to show you how this is most likely a fidget. Okay, so here, really cool. There's like a little stand that you put on the bottom, and over here, there's like a sound right here. It makes like a clicking sound. And it basically makes that sound. You can like flip it like that, and the sound it makes. And you can take the stand here, or like this, because there's like a little thing right here, and you can like snap it in. Okay, so we're going to take it and snap it. You heard that? Okay. So we're going to put it by the thing so you can hear it. I think it's pretty cool. And you can like just keep doing it, take it out, put it back in, take it out, put it back in, so like snaps back into place. And this is like my favorite part. And you're supposed to take the hat and put it on. But it's just satisfying the sound that it makes. Or you could like play a game and like see if you can get it in. And we also have the basketball hoop, and you can just put it through here, and it snaps right back in. You can take it out, snap it right back in place. And we can take the hat, put it in, and there's a ball, I just don't know where it is. Take it out, and we can take this out, put it back in. And yeah, that's basically how it works. So let's put it all together. I'm gonna do a short film where I do this. So hit that subscribe button, don't just thumbs up. Bye mermaids.